Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video, I'm going to talk about how I go hard on the set during my workouts. So I have a recent workout posted on here, and I'm going to talk about my fitness routine. And this is mainly for people that don't want to have to spend a lot of hours every week in the gym. I'm pretty much in and out in 30 minutes, and I do 2 strength training workouts a week, and I stay pretty strong. So this routine right here I've been doing is a pull-push leg routine, and it's only 2 rounds, so it's 6 sets total. I started with pull-ups, and then I moved on to a push move, and then I did a leg move, which I'll show you here. So it's mainly about going really hard on the set since I'm not doing a lot of sets. Again, only 6 sets twice a week. And about 90% of the time, I'm not using any weights. So most of what I do is just strictly body weight. So my first move was pull-ups, strict pull-ups. My second move are Spider-Man push-ups. And you're going to see my third move is jump squats. Now, in between each move, I rest for about 3 minutes or so I can recover between the move. And then again, I do 2 rounds, so a total of 6 sets. And I've been doing this a workout like this on Mondays and Thursdays. Now, on Tuesdays and Fridays, I'll go on a 3 to 5 mile run. And then I'm doing around 3 to 4 walks every single day. So that's my total routine right there. It's a 2-day-a-week strength training, 2-day-a-week cardio, which is my running, and then several walks every day. I say I walk between 3 and 5 miles a day. And that's really all you need if you want to stay in good shape. But the important thing about it is I really go hard on the set. I go to failure. So I really work my muscles and I give it all I have because I'm not doing a lot of sets. And this way I can get in and out of the gym in 30 minutes. And I don't have to spend a lot of time. Now, I like to go to the gym to do the workouts, even though I also sometimes do workouts in my garage, just because I work from home and I like to get out of the house. But you can easily do this routine in your house, in your living room, in your garage. The only thing you're going to need is a pull-up bar. And again, 90% of the time, I'm not using any weights. Sometimes I'll do some weighted moves just to vary it up and change it up a little bit. But for the most part, I'm just using my body. And the great thing about that is you don't need to worry about having a bunch of equipment, and you have less risk of getting injured. So I found that I'm just using my body weight and not trying to add a bunch of weight, I just don't get injured. So I really recommend that. So thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box below the video with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.